Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to remove your Facebook account permanently in your PC or laptop. So go to any browser. I'm using Google Chrome, then also search the domain name, it's called facebook.com. Then you'll see the interface like this. Then you can see the option, the account profile, right top corner on your screen. Simply click here and then click settings and privacy. Again click the settings, and then you can see the option account center personal details. Click here, then you have to click here personal details, the second option. Then click here the last option, account ownership and control. Then deactivation or deletion, click here, and again click your Facebook profile. Then here you'll see two options, deactivate account and delete account. So you have to choose the delete account and then continue. Then you have to give the reasons why you're going to remove your account permanently. So you have to choose select any box, but it's not mandatory why you're going to choose. You can type anything, then click continue and again click continue. Then you can deactivate your account uh, uh, if you don't want to delete. So that's why they will give you some option. You can download information. If you really want to reactivate your account after 30 days, then you can reactivate it. So you can download your information, whole information. And the end of this section, you can see continue. Simply click continue. The last step, you have to put your password here, then click continue, then your account will be removed permanently. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.